Hey, here's one great book to grab. It's 10-Day Green Smoothie Cleanse by J.J. Smith, and I'll teach you how to get it. It's so easy. Just head over to google.com, and what site I'm talking about is allebookdownloads.com. So type in the website space, and let's check if this particular book is available. You can put the keywords like J.J. Smith or 10-Day Green Smoothie. You should see similar results like this. I'm seeing this one. Let's try this. I don't know. Yeah, I think this is the one. Hmm. Oh wait, it is from Pinterest. Let me hit back. Wait, where's that? Hmm. Yeah, here. It's from allebookdownloads.com. So the other one is from Pinterest. So let me just click this. Okay, here. Yeah, this is it. It's Audiobook Downloads website, and you should see the content here, the overview of the book, and okay, it also does contain some reviews, and you can just hit read now to check if it is really available for download or to read online. Here, the details. Oh yeah, you simply click this, and it should be good to go.